Do you want to get 1,000 subscribers real fast here in Kenya or in any country? Feel free, because today I want to share the best secrets ever. Come, let's go. And before I forget, my name is Rebo KE from Young TV Kenya, and this is the best channel ever for entertainment, extraordinary entertainment, and also for education. So today I want to talk about some secrets that can help you maybe improve your content creation journey. If you're new here, this is Young TV. We make exciting content. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share so that we can get to. So number one thing that you can do to make sure that you get a lot of subscribers is sharing your content. Okay, I know most people will tell you sharing content, but they won't give you how am I supposed to share, right? Let me talk about how am I supposed to share and where to share your content. So I'm gonna give you an example of me. For me, I do funny kind of stuff video, right? So number one thing is sharing your content on all social media platforms. I know you have heard of sharing your content on all social media handles, but today let me break it down. How you do it? You cannot just copy and paste a link somewhere and expect people to click on it. So this this is how you can do it. You can just take your, like for example on Facebook, you can take your thumbnail. If you know what a thumbnail is, you take that thumbnail, the picture that always appear in front of a video on YouTube before you click on a video, that picture, then you post it on your account, and then you can tell people, maybe I'm teaching people on how to get 1,000 subscribers on Facebook quickly or fast. And then if you want to learn, click on this link, then you leave your link there, maybe on the description box or on comment section. That depends on you. You can do that on Instagram, Facebook, and also Facebook allows you to have a group. Like, there are groups that are already there, you can join, and also you can create yours depending on your understanding. All right, you can go to people. When for me, maybe I'm talking about how to videos, I can join a group that is talking about how to get subscribers fast. When I go there, I can tell people, hey, are you there? Are you a newbie? Do you want to learn how you can get 1,000 subscribers fast? Click on this link and you will learn a step by step tutorial on how to do blah blah blah, and then tell them to just click on the link, and there you find your people. If they like the content that you're doing, they follow you, and that's what's up. And the second thing that I'm going to share with you is make sure that you're making a good quality video. I'm not telling you to start with a camera, but make sure that the resolution of the video that you're posting here on YouTube or on other platforms, it's quite clear. And when I'm talking about quality videos, I'm not talking about the resolution of the video only. People might forgive you because of a poor video like 720p, but they cannot forgive you if you are having a poor audio. Make sure that your audio is clear, like you can hear me quite well. But if your audio is sounding funny, even people won't mind watching your video. That's the second trick. And then the third trick that I'm gonna share with you is make sure that you are giving people informative or an exciting exciting type of content. Like for me, when I'm not doing this type of videos, you will find me doing comedy videos. Most people are depressed out there. People are trying things. People are doing things. So when they see a funny video, they will want to see more and more and more. If you go to my shorts, you'll find most of my shorts are funny videos, and people watch. In fact, it has more retention more than the long version of the video. So make sure that you are making like an interesting video. The fourth thing that I'm going to share with you is make sure that your videos has a nice title and you're using relevant hashtags. You know, these are secrets that big YouTubers won't tell you. Like when you have a searchable title, like you cannot tell people like on this video, imagine me typing you right today I decided to make a video, hope you'll watch it. Oh my friend, nobody will search for that. So make titles that are searchable and use hashtags that are relevant to the title. That's a secret right there. And the final thing that I'm gonna share with you for today is make sure that you are posting videos consistently. Because my friend, if you are expecting to post one video and get 1,000 subscribers, you have to have a lot of favor. Not only favor, but a lot of it. Because I have tried there before, but it didn't work for me. Maybe it will work for you, but making videos consistently, it will make you a lot of followers, and also it will retain followers, because it is one thing having subscribers, it is another thing retaining subscribers. Until next time, if you find this video helpful, make sure that you follow me, click on that bell button, and share. Until next time, adios. If you're new here, this is Young TV. We make exciting content. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share so that we can get to approach or to reach a lot of people.